Hi Christina. So here is the Blizzard Pearl Limited RAV4. Just wanted to show you the interior here like you asked. It's got the nice black seats. And then of course they're adjustable. There's the controls on the steering wheel. And then down here you got eco mode and sport mode, along with the seat warmers for passenger and driver, and then the auxiliary plug. Here's a look at some more of the controls there. You got the dual zone climate control, which is really nice, and over there it's just there you go, now you can see. And then up here we got our moonroof, the tilt and slide, and that's where you control it right there. And we'll take a look at the back. I went ahead and folded the seats down so you can see back there. Plenty of room, and it still comes with the tonneau cover. And there it is. That's the interior of the 2015 RAV4 Limited. Let me know if you have any other questions, Christina. Thank you.